What if 80% of your daily work could disappear without hiring anyone, without coding, and without working harder? Most people think automation is complicated or expensive, but using simple AI tools, it's possible to automate most daily tasks like writing, research, planning, content creation, and even decision-making. And the truth is, anyone can do this. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to automate your daily workflow step by step, so you can copy it even if you're a complete beginner. But don't skip ahead, because one small mistake can break the entire system. Let's be honest, most people are overworked, overwhelmed, and constantly busy, yet still behind. You wake up with a long to-do list. You jump between tasks. You spend hours thinking, planning, rewriting, and fixing mistakes. By the end of the day, you're exhausted, but progress feels slow. The goal isn't to work faster. The goal is to remove work entirely. That's where AI automation comes in. The first thing to automate isn't work. It's thinking. Most time is wasted deciding what to do, how to do it, and where to start. This is where AI becomes a personal assistant. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you give AI a clear role. You ask it to act as a project manager, content strategist, tutor, or business advisor. Then you ask it to break tasks into simple steps, create daily plans, or outline workflows. But here's where most people mess this up. They ask vague questions and get vague answers. The moment you give AI context and a role, everything changes. This alone can save hours every week. Next is research. Reading long articles, watching multiple videos, and jumping between tabs is one of the biggest time killers. Instead, AI can summarize information into key points, examples, and common mistakes using simple language. This is perfect for students, creators, and business owners. Instead of consuming endless information, you extract only what matters. Hours of research turn into minutes, and understanding becomes faster because the noise is removed. Next comes writing and content creation. Writing emails, scripts, captions, notes, and posts can all be automated. AI generates the first draft, then rewrites it to be clearer, shorter, and more engaging. Instead of writing from scratch, you're editing, which is much faster. For creators, this means faster videos. For students, faster assignments. For freelancers, faster client work. Now here's the part most people struggle with. Design. Thumbnails, slides, and social posts often stop progress because people think they need design skills. With AI design tools, you simply describe what you want, and visuals are generated for you. This removes another bottleneck and keeps content flowing without delay. Now let's talk about video creation. Video editing usually takes hours, but AI tools can now generate captions automatically, match visuals to scripts, add voiceovers, and speed up editing. This makes faceless content creation simple and efficient. You focus on ideas. AI handles execution. But automation isn't about one tool. It's about how everything connects. You start with AI to plan and think. Then AI helps you research. Then AI helps you write. Then AI helps you design. Then AI helps you edit and publish. Each step feeds into the next without friction or burnout. This is how 80% of daily work disappears. Before automation, workdays are long, mental fatigue is high, output is slow, and overwhelm is constant. After automation, daily plans are clear, execution is faster, consistency improves, and free time increases. You're not working harder. You're working less, but smarter. For students, AI becomes a study assistant and tutor. For creators, AI becomes a scriptwriter, editor, and planner. For business owners and freelancers, AI becomes an assistant and strategist. Same tools, different use cases. Now think about this. Which task would you automate first? Planning, writing, or editing? Comment AI if you want a full breakdown of the exact prompts and tools used in this workflow. If you want to save hours every week, reduce stress, and build smarter systems using AI, subscribe to Smart AI Academy. New videos break these workflows down step by step with no jargon and no fluff. Turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. In the next video, I'll show you how beginners are using AI to build income streams online, even with no skills and no audience. Most people are doing this the wrong way, and once you see the right way, you won't unsee it. I'll see you in the next video.